Hello, good day. My name is Maria Cristina S. Fuga, 24 years old, single. I don't have a child. I'm from Oriental Mindoro, Philippines. I'm independent, respectful, and enthusiastic person. I have experience here in the Philippines. I took care of baby for 4 years. My duties and responsibilities was preparing her food and things. Sometimes we play with her toys and I told her a story and we sing like, "You can miss the flowers." I sit for hours telling all the bluebirds, the feeling cool birds, pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you. And after that, when the baby is sleeping, I will do the other chores like cleaning the house and preparing the food. Mom, sir, if I'm the lucky one to be chosen by you, I'm looking forward to do my job and responsibilities and I will do my best. Thank you and God bless to your family.